Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to pair Bluetooth speaker to our Tecno phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you pair this Bluetooth speaker to your Tecno phone. In this video guys, we are going to talk about Bluetooth setting. So first of all guys, come in your phone setting to pair this Bluetooth speaker. Then guys, scroll and guys, you can see your more connection settings. So guys, tap here. Guys, click on Bluetooth setting and guys, first of all on your Bluetooth speakers. So first button guys, you can see, press here, then it will on, and guys second guys Bluetooth option, press. Then guys now let's see. Then guys on your Bluetooth with refresh. Then guys you can see your speaker name. So guys click on your speaker name. Then guys you can see your pair notification, and guys it has paired automatic. Then guys you can see active. Then guys you can use your Bluetooth speaker while listening song, whatever you want. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth speaker to our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.